Hello there everybody, welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we teach you guys how you guys can fix your problem. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change the location of your Genshin Impact game folder from one place to another, from HDD to SSD or from SSD to HDD, in a simple term, from one place to another. I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do that without the need to re-download Genshin Impact, which is going to save you a lot of time. But I'm going to be showing you this process one step at a time, because that's the nature of our channel, as the name says, one to step. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to right click on your Genshin Impact icon and click on open file location. Once you go on open file location, what you want to do is go a step back. So this is your main Genshin Impact folder. So make sure to cut it and take it to the place where you want to, paste the folder. So I want to paste my folder into my HDD over here. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to name it Genshin Impact 12. So I'm going to open it and paste this over here. Now wait for some time. It's going to take a bit of time because it's a 50 GB game. So wait for it. After all the files are transferred in one place, what you want to do is over here where it says Genshin Impact. In my case, it says Genshin Impact 12. Because that's why I named my folder, but in your case you can name whichever folder. But inside the folder where you put all of your things of all of your folder of a Genshin Impact, you want to find config.ini. So make sure to find it. It should be over here. Once you find config.ini, open it by double clicking on it. Once it's open, minimize it. Once you minimize it, inside the folder of your Genshin Impact, there should be a folder called Genshin Impact Game. You want to click on Genshin Impact Game. Once you're inside Genshin Impact Game, click on this little icon over here, or like this column looking thing, and this thing will pop up. And once you see all this text, make sure to copy it. Once you copy it, open your config.ini folder over here. And where it says game installation path, make sure to delete the one which is over here and paste the one which you just copied, and change all this backslash to forward slash. Only on this column, alright? Do not change it on the other one, just in this little section over here. Make sure to change your backslash to forward slash over here like I'm doing. After doing that, make sure to go on file, click on save, and now try to open your Genshin Impact. It should launch. So that's how we guys can change your Genshin Impact from SSD to HDD, or from like one place to another, alright? So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.